Hello guys, today in this video I am going to review about top 5 best rowing machines for beginners. There are many products available to choose the best rowing machines, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rowing machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Upright Rowing Machine. If you're really low on space, you may not have room for a traditional rowing machine. That's why we recommend the Sunny Health and Fitness Upright Rowing Machine to get a dynamic workout within a much smaller footprint. The machine boasts a unique upright design. Instead of sitting down and rowing back, you sit upright and row up. This format makes your rowing workouts more focused on the lower body, but you still get opportunities to challenge your upper body and core as well. In lieu of a more traditional resistance mechanism, this rower comes with 3 adjustable resistance bands. Attach these to your machine to increase the intensity of your workouts, reaching a maximum resistance level of 22 pounds. The rower's textured pedals offer plenty of traction, and its non-slip handlebars are easy to grip. Adjust the height of the seat and the handlebars until the machine fits you just right, and take advantage of the fact that the machine folds in half for easy storage between uses. Number 2. WaterRower Club Rowing Machine. Sometimes simpler is just better. WaterRower's Club Rowing Machine takes things back to basics. The made in the USA design is streamlined with a vaguely vintage aesthetic of stained ash wood. That also makes it the heaviest duty rowing machine on this list, supporting users up to 700 pounds. The traditional water-based flywheel not only looks great but also mimics the dynamic motion of rowing through real water. Users can fully customize the resistance by filling the water tank with more or less water as desired. At around $1,200, it's not surprising that this model lacks the fancier gadgetry of the pricier models on this list. Still, the integrated performance monitor tracks all the essentials, including stroke rate, intensity, distance, workout duration, and more. For anyone looking for a durable, handsome rower without unnecessary bells and whistles at a good price, this is your man. What do buyers say? Out of more than 348 Amazon reviews, 86% recommend the WaterRower Club Rowing Machine with at least a 4-star rating. Number 3. Echelon Smart Rowing Machine. Echelon's base model rowing machine has an ergonomic cushioned seat and oversized, adjustable foot pedals for extra comfort. The 32 silent, magnetic resistance levels allow you to customize your workout, whether you're a rowing noob or an advanced rowing machine. While it lacks the jumbo high-tech displays of many other machines on this list, it features a device holder that swivels and flips around for use during off-row workouts instead. With an optional Echelon Fit US membership, you get access to 3,000 plus live and on-demand classes including rowing, strength, yoga, and more. Plus, all those scenic rides that high-end rowers twice the price boast. Dual built-in speakers also allow you to hear the trainers in your virtual workout programs loud and clear, too. Best of all, it's foldable. Built-in wheels help for easy transport to tuck it easily away when it's not in use. Bonus, it's the second most affordable rowing machine on this list. So, if budget is a concern, the smart rowing machine is definitely worth considering. What do buyers say? I love using the machine, especially with the iFit workouts. I've rowed in Zambia, Montana, the French Polynesian Islands, and more. I love the iFit coaches, the variety of workouts and scenery, and the encouragement they provide, wrote one Google reviewer. Number 4. Assault Fitness AssaultRower Elite. Assault Fitness AssaultRower Elite was purpose-built for commercial gym usage, so you know it's built to hold up to the toughest workouts and years of abuse. With a solid steel frame and parts that can take a beating, this thing will take your worst and give you a full body workout to make your body its best. It offers all the essential features that novice and advanced users demand in the best rowing machines. A sweat-proof seat, multi-grip handles, and adjustable footrests all help ensure you're getting a comfortable workout. The simple LCD display offers basic onboard training programs, and there's a built-in heart rate monitor too. The only downside, that same solid steel construction means that this rower is heavy, more than 140 pounds to be exact. So it's not as easy to set up, break down, and store as others on this list. What do buyers say? Design is attractive and engineering is smooth and sturdy. Doesn't take a ton of space. I love that I'm getting cardio in and working posterior chain muscles at the same time. Using the rower fits perfectly in my HIIT workouts. It's also great for longer cardio workouts, wrote one Google reviewer. Number 5. Life Fitness Row HX Trainer. Life Fitness machines are found in fitness clubs around the world. And for good reason. They're durable, easy to use, beginner-friendly, suitable for advanced rowers, and reasonably priced. The Row HX Trainer is no exception. It's reasonably heavy at 108 pounds and designed to run well for years. It also folds almost in half to neatly stow away in even the smallest spaces. Unlike some of the more premium models we tested, it features a simple water-based design for ultra-smooth resistance, so there's less gadgetry to worry about. We love that. Unlike many other water-based rowers, you never need to add or remove water to change the resistance. 5 manually adjustable resistance levels make this a great option for novice to advanced users. This model lacks a built-in touchscreen display, but it's designed to work seamlessly with the Optiv app to keep you motivated with thousands of workouts and new ones added regularly. What do buyers say? Great quality and the ability to change resistance levels makes for an intense workout. Looks good too, wrote one Amazon reviewer. If you found this video valuable, give it a like, and check pricing on the product mentioned. Be sure to check the links in the description.